Congratulations! You've completed section 1 of this video course. Let's briefly recap what you've done to get ready to start developing Emoji Journal to completion. By this point, you should know your way around your starter project. You should have been able to get your server up and running, both from the command line and from Xcode. You also got a quick little course in HTTP and what you should expect to work with while you get your Emoji Journal application up and running. You also got Docker working on your machine. You won't see many hosted macOS solutions on the internet, so testing your API on Linux is critical to making sure your application is working the way you want it to. Then you got set up with IBM Cloud. You walked through how to use Cloud Foundry to set up a web application, and then how you can set up your development environment to deploy your application whenever you want. If you went through this, you should be able to test your starter pack on the live internet right now. Lastly, you installed the Kitura CLI as a bonus. Don't look now, but you'll be making use of one of its key features in section 3 of this course. I'm so excited that you came this far with me. Let's dive into some Swift code now and get your Emoji Journal API up and running.